Hello. How to get more phone call from Google Ad? If you search this topic on YouTube, this video only for you. Hi, I am Amin. I am a top rated seller on Fiverr and Upwork. In this video, I will share you how I can generate 30,000 conversion from Google Ad. So, if you are interested to increase your conversion from Google Ad, this video only for you. So, let's jump to our video. Increasing the number of phone calls through Google Ad require strategic approach to optimize your ad campaign, specifically for call conversion. I will share some best practice how you can achieve your targeted call from targeted customer. Number 1, use only call campaign, because people when search on Google they show call now button and they can easily can call you, and you have to select most targeted keyword. That's the you want to get call targeted customer, so you need to select most targeted keyword. Then call extension, you can use call extension on your ad campaign. Search you run traffic or search campaign, so you should run call you should add call extension, thus people can call you very easily. Thirdly, targeted keyword, you should use call intent keyword. Focus on call intent keyword such as high the keyword there has a high intent call now, phone now, contact. You should use this type of keyword. No worry, as a Google ad specialist I will help you how to find out call intent keyword. The ad copy optimization, you have to use strong complaining CTA. That suppose call now, speak an expert. Okay, so you have to use strong call complaining CTA. Okay, in this video I will share you, if you have any project, do you need to increase phone call conversion or you need to optimize your ad campaign, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I am a professional freelancer working last 2 years as a Google ad specialist. I am also top rated freelancer on Upwork and Fiverr. Okay, location targeting is so important because people search plumber service near me, if they will found and call you. So location targeting is important. Bid adjustment, landing page optimization, conversion tracking, ad customizing, review and optimize regularly. This type of work will be do on your Google ad specialist. If you want to do yourself, then you have to learn how to review and optimize regularly, ad customizers, automated bidding strategy and ad extension. So in this video I am quickly share how to generate more phone call conversion. It is totally different. You have to create call campaign, targeted keyword and call extension, and ad copy optimization, use strong CTA, then you will get your targeted phone call number. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, let me ask. Thank you so much.